In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin emails in Outlook so your most important messages always stay right at the top of your inbox. This is a super simple but powerful feature that can help you stay organized, avoid missing critical emails, and manage your daily workflow much more efficiently. Whether you're using Outlook for work, school, or personal email, pinning messages can save you a lot of time. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Outlook tips and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook and go to your inbox. This works in the Outlook desktop app as well as Outlook on the web, so you can follow along no matter which version you're using. Once your inbox is open, take a moment to locate the email you want to pin. This could be an important message from your boss, a task you need to follow up on, or any email you want to keep visible at all times. Next, move your mouse cursor over the email. When you hover over the message, you'll notice a few small icons appear on the right side of the email row. These icons give you quick access to different actions, and one of them is the pin icon. Look for the small gray thumbtack symbol. Now, click on that gray thumbtack icon. As soon as you click it, Outlook will automatically pin the email for you. You'll see the email jump to the very top of your inbox, above all your other messages. The pinned email will also show a pin icon next to it, making it easy to recognize at a glance. Once an email is pinned, it will stay at the top of your inbox even when new emails arrive. This is extremely helpful if you're waiting on information, tracking an ongoing conversation, or need to constantly reference a specific message throughout the day. You can pin multiple emails if you want, and they'll all remain grouped at the top of your inbox. If you ever want to unpin an email, the process is just as simple. Hover over the pinned email again, click the pin icon one more time, and the email will return to its normal place in your inbox based on date and time. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to pin emails in Outlook and keep your most important messages front and center. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more Outlook and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.